Hello students, welcome to Extreme Telugu. Today we are going to deal with lesson number 3, acids, bases and salts, which are to be studied under 10th class chemistry. Today's topic to be discussed in this video is nothing but chemical reactions of acids. This is a 4 marks very important question and repeatedly asked in the public examinations. So try to listen to the explanation with utmost concentration. Here we are making acids to react with some compounds, and what are the different products. So entire theme of this discussion is when acid is made to react with so and so compound, what are the products? That's it. And this X is nothing but here in this syllabus which is given in your textbook. X can be metal or metal oxide or metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate or a base. That means an acid can react with metal. An acid can be made to react with metal oxide. An acid can be made to react with metal carbonate. An acid can be made to react with metal hydrogen carbonate. Or finally, an acid can be made to react with a base. So while an acid reacts with various different compounds, what are the products? So let me tell you, one of the common product is nothing but salt. One of the common product is nothing but salt. And many times second product remains to be water. Second product remains to be water. Except with metals, water is a common product. And sometimes we will get third compound as carbon dioxide. So let me tell you some basic information which you have to remember so that you can easily answer this question. One common compound is salt. Every time you will be getting salt for sure. Second common compound is nothing but water, except for metals. In metals, we will get only hydrogen gas. Water will not be obtained in metals. When metals react with acids, water is not obtained. Rather, we will get hydrogen gas. And here, metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates, they have carbon as well as oxygen atoms in their molecule. So they can give us carbon dioxide molecule or carbon dioxide compound. So let me write some basic formulas or basic instructions first, upon which we can discuss. Here, when acids react with metals, what will happen? One of the common compound I said to you is salt. First, we will get salt for sure. Then second one is H2 gas. Hydrogen gas will be obtained. So metals when react with acids, then we will get hydrogen gas. This is why acids are not stored in metal containers. For example, your pickles are not stored in metal containers. Why? Because pickles are acidic in nature. If they are stored in metal containers, this acidic nature pickle will react with metal and eliminate hydrogen from this metal container. So as hydrogen gets out of that metal container, the container becomes weak and it becomes spoiled or damaged, because of which it may start leaking also. So when acids are stored in metal containers, the containers are damaged because of this reaction, as acids react with metals to give hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas is evolved. So we will not store acidic material into metal containers. Next one, when acids react with metal oxides. When acids react with metal oxides, one of the common product is salt. Salt is common. Then the next product is nothing but water, H2O. The next product is nothing but water, H2O. When acids react with metal carbonates, when acids react with metal carbonates, what are the common compounds to be produced? Salts, water and carbon dioxide. Why? Because this is carbonate. The term carbonate confirms you that carbon and oxygen atoms are available there, using which carbon dioxide can be produced. So here the products are salt, which is very well known to you, common product, and water, H2O, and along with them we will get carbon dioxide, CO2 is also obtained. Next one, when acids react with metal bicarbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates, then products are very well known to you. Salt is obtained, water is obtained, and CO2, carbon dioxide is obtained. And finally, acid react with bases to give these two famous products, which are nothing but salt and water. Here carbon is not available, hence carbon dioxide is not produced. The last reaction is famously known as neutralization reaction. Acids react with bases to give salt and water is called as neutralization reaction. So these are the 5 chemical properties of acids which are very important, which tell you that acids react with various different materials to give what and what. Here acids react with metal to give salt and hydrogen gas. Acids react with metal oxide to give salt and water. Acid react with metal carbonate to give salt, water and carbon dioxide. Acids react with metal hydrogen carbonate to give salt, water and carbon dioxide gas. Acids react with bases to give salt and water. So what are common products here? Salt is common in all hydrogen oxide, that is nothing but water is also common, except in first case where hydrogen gas is evolved. In 2 cases where carbonate is there, we are getting an additional byproduct, that is nothing but carbon dioxide. Now let us understand these reactions with proper examples. Whenever we take acid, generally here we are taking HCl, hydrochloric acid. Whenever we take base, we take sodium hydroxide. So here let us understand first example, that is nothing but acids reacting with metals. I am taking an acid which is nothing but HCl and one metal, let me take, that is nothing but sodium Na. So what will happen is, this gives me the sodium reacts with chlorine to give sodium chlorate salt, and I'll get hydrogen gas which is nothing but H2 gas. This is the equation, skeleton equation. It is not balanced yet. 2 hydrogen atoms are there here, here only 1 hydrogen atom is there. So I have to write 2 here. Then a new problem has arrived, that is nothing but 2 chlorines are there here, but here it has got only 1 chlorine. So here also I am writing 2. Then one more problem has arrived here. What is that? Here sodiums are 2 in number, but here only one sodium is there. So I am writing a 2 here also, so that the entire equation gets balanced. 2 hydrogens, here 2 hydrogens are there. 2 chlorines, here 2 chlorines are there. 2 sodiums, here 2 sodiums are there. So equation is balanced. Acid react with metal to give salt and hydrogen gas. This is formula number 1. Formula number 2 is nothing but acid react with metal oxide. Here I am taking sodium oxide, Na2O, sodium oxide. So acids react with metal oxide to give. We have discussed now only. That is nothing but we will get salt and water. What salt we are getting? 2 sodiums are there here, which need 2 chlorine atoms here. So I am writing 2 here. 2 chlorine atoms react with 2 sodiums to give 2 NaCl. That is nothing but salt. 2 sodiums and 2 chlorines react to give 2 NaCl. That is nothing but salt. And then water. Half. 2 hydrogens are here, 1 oxygen is left out here, 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, which is nothing but water. Third one, acids react with metal carbonates, Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. We have taken Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, metal carbonate. Acids react with metal carbonate to give salt, water and carbon dioxide. So salt here is 2 NaS are requiring 2 Cls, hence I am writing 2 here. These 2 Cls react with 2 NaS to give 2 NaCl, which is nothing but sodium chloride salt. Salt is obtained. And here 3 oxygen atoms are there, out of which I am taking only 1 oxygen out. 1 oxygen will come and react with these 2 hydrogen atoms, will give you H2O, that is water. And so total HCl is consumed, Na is consumed, 1 oxygen has went away. How many oxygens are there here with carbonate ion? 2 oxygens are there. 1 carbon and 2 oxygens, which is nothing but carbon dioxide. So, fourth example, acids HCl react with metal hydrogen carbonate. Metal, Na is a metal, hydrogen, H is hydrogen, carbonate, CO3 is nothing but carbonium or carbonate ion. So, metal hydrogen carbonate gives us here 1 Cl react with 1 Na to give us NaCl, which is nothing but salt. Here 1 H is there, here 1 H is there, 2 H's. Let me take 1 oxygen from here. 2 H's and 1 oxygen will give you H2O, that is nothing but water. As 1 oxygen is taken out here, 2 more oxygen atoms are there. Here 2 oxygen atoms and 1 carbon atom, which is nothing but carbon dioxide gas. So here also acids reacting with metal hydrogen carbonates or metal bicarbonates to give us salts, water and carbon dioxide gas. The last one, which is nothing but neutralization reaction. Acid is nothing but HCl and bases. Here we are taking a famous base is nothing but NaOH, sodium hydroxide, to give us. This Cl reacts with Na to give us NaCl, which is salt, and this H reacts with OH to give us H2O, which is nothing but water. So what did you observe here? One common product is nothing but salt, another common product is nothing but water. Whenever carbonate is there here, we have got an extra byproduct, which is nothing but carbon dioxide. In the case of metals, we have got hydrogen gas liberated. So these are very important things. You have to write how the reaction takes place, what is the basic formula, and you have to explain one example for each and every reaction. Hope you understood this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel Extreme Telugu. Thank you.